Okay, I had a bunch of bad takes, so I can't remember if I went over umask. I'm going to do it quickly now. So umask is the thing. It's how you set the default permissions for the files you create. So you can find out what it is like this. I forget what the first 0 stands for. What does it say here? Umask. It's different actually but just ignore that first 0. The last 3 are what you're looking at. So my umask is basically 022. It's the same example as in you got in the book. So if you look, I'll show it to you here. There's a default in the system. So the system by default, if mine's this way, I can tell, but I think most of them should be. It's going to be read and write permissions for all the files as a system kind of default, and then each individual user's umask will modify that. So 022, what it means is that the user, in this case, the user subtracts 0 permissions from the default for himself. 2, not 2 permissions, but the permission that is 2, which is write. Remember 4, 2, and 1. Read is 4, write is 2, execute is 1. It's an encoding. So if you subtract the 2 permission, that's write, goes away, and the same for the other. So read write for yourself, because nothing was subtracted from this, and then because the W's got negated by the 2, then it's just read permission. So if you look at and here's some examples of doing it. I did the same thing basically. It's my example here. I touch new file. Because to create a new file, if I do ls-l, it shows the permissions, which are RW for me, read write, and then just read for everything else. You can add an argument to umask to change this. I don't know if you, for some reason, wanted to do just execute. Man, that really wouldn't do anything, actually, would it? So let's touch another file. ls-l. Do LL, I guess. Yeah, that's the same, because 1 doesn't really subtract anything. It doesn't subtract from what's there. What would be a better example? Well, I guess you can change, like, you could say umask 0 for yourself, 2 for the group. It's already been done, so 4 for the group. Actually, let's do that this way. 2 for the group and 4 for everybody else. And then touch the file that way. So touch yet another. And you can see now it's kind of weird, right? Only whatever. You get the idea. Just do some math and figure it out. I'm just going to set mine back to what it was because I like it like that. And you're cool. All right. Next video.